Today I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate braai quesadilla recipe. 3 cheeses and loads of veggies, you can't go wrong. For my 3 cheese quesadilla, I always like to start with a little bit of ricotta. Super smooth, super scoopable. I mean, hello gorgeous. Now we're going to go for a little bit of salt. So I really love to use feta. It just really gives it a nice bit of texture. Crumble it in. Can't go wrong with a little bit of garlic. Little trick that I've learned with garlic is to add a nice sprinkle of coarse salt, and then once you've chopped it is to just use the backside of your knife, smoosh it all together, add a little bit of this tangy, nice zest. It just really freshens everything up, and a nice little squeeze. A little bit more salt, crack of black pepper. That's basically our cheese mixture done and dusted. I love using baby marrows because they're not too full of water. It's also an awesome way to celebrate this veggie in summer. I love using these Stoneground flour burritos from Woolies. Also look out for these awesome beetroot and turmeric wraps. Super fun colors and also so delicious. I'm gonna be nice and generous. The ooze factor, this beautiful mozzarella from Woolies. And just going to kind of scatter it around because it will spread. A nice generous sprinkle of these grated baby marrows. It's as easy as that. Ta-da! This really won't take too long. Don't be tempted to leave it alone. This is a great thing to have while you're waiting for your friends to arrive, because let's face it, everybody's late for a braai. When your quesadilla starts doing that, you know it is time to party. Listen to that crunch. There you have it, my ultimate quesadilla, so delicious. Now I just love to finish it with a little bit of Basil pesto. Keep it fresh with this nice little ruby slaw from Woolies. Loving these pickled onions. They add such a beautiful little color on top and a little bit of festivity. Absolutely game changer for your summer braai.
And I was like, a moment.
Welcome to food styling. No.